Saturday.
Hi. Good morning.
It's a puppy. Can you see the puppy? It's a puppy. All right. What's up? It's Saturday. Did I wake you up? Too bad. So let me just mention a couple of things here. I'm trying to zoom in and I went to another page. Everybody did quite well on this part. I think it's always funny that you switch everything to X's, but ain't no problem with that. I just want to be sure that you read. I know y'all are like, she sends so many announcements and I don't even know what to read anymore. You know, if you would have read this right here, then there's no way the last part, this is an announcement that got emailed to you that you didn't read. Yes, I did read it, Miss Cindy. Okay, then use it, right? The big key on the last part here, if you plugged in t = 1, then you did it wrong. I know it's early and it's probably difficult to see the why, but what you want to do, what if you wanted to use t = 2? I'm done. I'll be all right. I'll live. If I don't live, I hope y'all get a nicer teacher. What if I wanted to plug t = 2, then t = 3, then t = 4? Do you want to work this that many times? Heck no, you don't even want to work it the first time. So the whole point here is you're trying to get a function, all right? And remember, h is the error that we're letting it go to 0 at the very end. So as you can see, I went through the whole FOIL thing. I foiled this out, distributed, things canceled, and I ended up with a function. This function now, I can plug in t = 1, and sure, I'll get the 32. I can plug in t = 2, and so on. And this is where we're going. We want to get to the point where we don't plug in values here. We work through this algebraically, okay? And then we can, at the very end, plug in a point because we have a function. So that's all I got to say. I hope I woke you up. See y'all. Have a great weekend.